Good morning, this is Anthony the Dad Outnumbered, and finally I get a chance to get out and fly, and I'm going to be testing the DJI Action2, but I'm going to be doing it on a long range quad on a nice, smooth, cool flight. I'm going to be filming at 2.6K at 30 frames per second. I really like the DJI Action2. If you see a lot of videos on the internet, you're going to see that a lot of people don't care for it too much, or it's not as good as the GoPro Hero 10. That's fine. I don't need it to be as good as the GoPro Hero 10. I need a lightweight camera that is a small form factor that makes it easy and aerodynamic to fly, and that's what I'm going to do today. So we're going to see some footage of me flying the Chimera5 with the DJI Action2. Let's take a look. All right, that was a pretty good flight. I decided to use Rocksteady stabilization instead of horizon lock, which there are 3 modes, which is no stabilization, Rocksteady, and horizon lock. Horizon lock and Rocksteady do punch into the footage a little bit, but I figured that the Rocksteady stabilization will be smooth enough to really iron out some of those bobbles with the quad. I tell you, I really like this camera. I like the modularity of it. I like the fact that it's easy to use, and there's just one simple button. Yes, there's issues with storage and offloading that storage, but at its purest sense, it's a good camera. It's small, great form factor, and as you can see, and I'll insert some footage here, while we were at a local water park, it was easy for me to be able to leverage this little camera for all of my needs. So right now, it's a camera that I carry around in my pocket all the time. It used to be the Insta360 Go 2, and I go back and forth between using those, but I just kind of like this form factor, and maybe I like it because it's new. It's pretty robust. I am a little concerned with kind of having it naked and not in a case, and I'm kind of dealing with that by putting it inside of a silk cover, something sort of like what you would put your sunglasses in, just to kind of protect it in the meantime, because it's got these exposed screens and the lens up top. I can't wait till there's an ND filtered so we can really start getting some really good cinematic footage. But aside from that, let me know what you thought of the footage in the comments below. I appreciate you watching and thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe. Fly safe.